Are you tired of feeling like you're chasing your desires, doing everything you can to manifest them, but still feeling like something is missing? What if I told you that the key to unlocking your manifestations isn't about trying harder, but about shifting your mindset to a place of already having what you want? Imagine no longer feeling the pressure of needing your desires to show up. What if instead you could approach manifestation with the certainty that what you want is already yours? This simple shift in perspective can make all the difference in your manifestation journey. One phrase, when said with belief and intention, can completely transform how you manifest, shifting you from the energy of trying to get it to already having it. Intrigued? I'm here to share that life-changing phrase with you today, and trust me, it's easier than you think. By using this simple phrase, you'll move from a space of scarcity to abundance and watch your manifestations flow naturally and effortlessly. Ready to learn the phrase that will shift your manifestation process? Keep watching, because this could be the missing piece you've been searching for. When you begin the journey of manifesting, it's natural to ask yourself, what do I need to do to get this? This question often arises when you feel a strong desire for something you want in your life. While this is a common and understandable starting point, it can also lead to frustration if not approached correctly. The underlying issue is that the question is based on the belief that you have to do something or make an intense effort to make your desires manifest. In reality, manifestation isn't about putting in more effort or trying harder to get what you want. It's about expression, allowing what you already have inside of you to come to the surface and manifest in your reality. Everything you desire exists within you, waiting to be activated and expressed. The key is shifting your focus from trying to get something to realizing that you already have it. When you approach manifestation from the perspective of, I already have it, instead of, I need to do this to get it, you begin to release the pressure of striving and struggling. Manifestation becomes more about activating what is already within you and aligning with your desires, not forcing them into existence. This shift in mindset makes the process smoother, less stressful, and far more effective. So, if you catch yourself asking, what do I need to do to get this? Remember, the true power of manifestation lies in expressing what you already possess. One of the most powerful shifts you can make in your manifestation practice is moving from the mindset of getting to having. When you focus on the idea of needing to get something, you inherently create a sense of lack, as if the thing you desire is outside of your reach. This mindset often leads to feelings of frustration and desperation, as you feel like you're chasing something rather than attracting it. Instead, try to think from the perspective of already having what you want. Embrace the belief that everything you desire is already inside of you. This shift helps you stop feeling like your desires are far away or unattainable. Instead of striving to get something, you are simply activating it from within and allowing it to manifest in your reality. When you embrace the belief that everything you want is already inside you, manifestation becomes a process of expression rather than acquisition. You're not trying to force something into existence. You're allowing what's already present within you to come to the surface. This approach creates a sense of abundance, knowing that you're not chasing after something, but rather bringing it forth into your life. By making this simple but profound shift, you move from a place of scarcity to one of abundance. The more you embody this mindset of already having, the more effortless and natural your manifestations will feel, helping you align with your desires rather than struggling to attain them. Manifesting from the position of already having is one of the most transformative approaches you can take on your manifestation journey. Instead of starting from a place of wanting or needing, you begin with the belief that you already possess the desired outcome. This shift in perspective changes the entire process, making manifestation feel more natural and effortless. When you start from the mental state of already having what you desire, your focus shifts from how do I get this to how do I express this? The key is to internalize the belief that the thing you want is already a part of you. It's not something you're trying to acquire from the outside. You are simply bringing it from within into your reality. This internal belief creates a deep sense of certainty. When you believe that what you want is already yours, your thoughts, actions, and energy begin to align with that certainty. You stop feeling like you're chasing something and start feeling like you're in a position of power, able to express your desires into your life. Your energy becomes magnetic, drawing the circumstances, people, and opportunities that resonate with your internal state of abundance. By manifesting from the position of already having, you shift from a mindset of scarcity to one of abundance. This mental state empowers you to naturally attract what you want, because you are aligned with the feeling that it is already part of your reality. It's not about forcing things to happen, it's about allowing them to unfold with ease. The importance of perspective before action cannot be overstated when it comes to manifesting your desires. Often people dive straight into manifestation techniques, like visualizations, affirmations, or scripting, without taking a moment to align their mindset. However, what truly sets successful manifestations apart is the mental state you're in before you begin these techniques. Before starting any manifestation work, it's essential to shift your perspective. Remind yourself that the techniques you're using are not about getting something that is outside of you. Instead, they are about activating and expressing what is already within you. The moment you believe that everything you desire already exists within you, your manifestation process changes entirely. When you approach manifestation from the perspective of already having what you want, you stop feeling like something is missing or unattainable. This shift allows you to act from a place of abundance rather than lack. You're not trying to force something into your life, but rather allowing it to unfold naturally as you align your energy with your desires. This simple mindset shift can make all the difference in how your manifestation unfolds. When you focus on expression rather than acquisition, you are energetically aligned with your desires. Your actions become effortless, and your energy becomes magnetic, drawing what you want into your reality. By taking a moment to reset your perspective before using any manifestation techniques, you set a solid foundation for success. The four-step manifestation process is a simple yet powerful approach to bringing your desires into reality. By following these steps, you can align your actions, energy, and mindset with your goals, making manifestation a more natural and effective experience. Step 1. Clarify your desire. The first step is to get crystal clear about what you want. It's important to know exactly what you're manifesting. Once you've clarified your desire, focus on the feeling of already having it. Visualize or imagine yourself experiencing that desire right now. This helps to create a strong emotional connection to the outcome, which is key for manifestation. Step 2. Believe it's possible. Next, ask yourself if you believe it's possible to manifest what you desire. It's okay if you're uncertain. Just believing that it's possible is enough. Often, the biggest hurdle in manifestation is doubt. By allowing yourself to believe that your desire is possible, you open up the pathway for it to enter your life. Step 3. Release resistance. Identify any resistance or doubts that may arise and consciously release them. Let go of thoughts that might block your manifestation. This could include fears, negative beliefs, or past experiences. The more you let go of these doubts, the more open you become to receiving what you desire. Step 4. Release emotional attachment. Finally, release emotional attachment or the need for the outcome. Instead, focus on desiring it from a place of love and passion, not desperation. When you detach from the outcome, you allow space for your desire to naturally manifest without pushing or forcing it. Focusing on the already having mindset is one of the most powerful shifts you can make in your manifestation journey. After setting your intention, it's crucial to take a brief moment before diving into visualization, affirmations, or any other manifestation technique. This moment is key to aligning your energy with your desire in a way that feels natural and effortless. The essence of this mindset is the belief that what you want is already within you. Instead of visualizing or affirming as if you're trying to get something, take a moment to remind yourself that you already possess it. In just a few seconds, say to yourself, I already have this. It's inside of me. I am expressing it into my reality. This simple affirmation shifts your focus from seeking something outside of you to activating what's already present within. The key is not to think of your desire as something you need to acquire, but rather something that is already yours, waiting to be expressed into your reality. By taking this moment of clarity, you lay a strong foundation for your manifestation work. When you come from a place of knowing that it's already yours, you naturally align your thoughts, actions, and energy with that belief. This makes your manifestation process smoother, more fluid, and much more effective. It's about expressing your desires into your reality, not about striving or trying to force things to happen. This mindset shift is the key to manifesting with ease and confidence. Overcoming doubts and resistance is an essential part of the manifestation process. Resistance often manifests in the form of doubts, fears, or past experiences that create mental blocks. These thoughts can make you feel like your desires are unattainable or that something is standing in the way of your success. However, it's important to recognize that these doubts are a natural part of the process and not something that will permanently block your manifestation. The key is to acknowledge the resistance without allowing it to control you. Understand that resistance doesn't mean your desires are not coming. It simply means that your mind is processing certain fears or limiting beliefs. The more you resist the resistance, the stronger it becomes. Instead, accept these doubts as temporary and a sign that you are growing and evolving in your manifestation journey. To counteract this resistance, you can use techniques like affirmations. Affirmations are powerful tools to reprogram your subconscious mind. When doubts or negative thoughts arise, replace them with positive, empowering statements like, I am worthy of my desires, or I can manifest whatever I focus on. These affirmations act as reminders that your manifestation is still possible, no matter what doubts you may face. With consistent use of affirmations and other mindset tools, you can transform resistance into growth. As you replace doubts with empowering beliefs, you open up space for your desires to manifest freely, allowing your dreams to unfold naturally. In the process of manifesting, one of the most important shifts you can make is moving from need to want. The difference between these two feelings has a significant impact on your manifestation experience. When you operate from a place of need, you create a sense of lack and desperation. The energy behind the thought of, I need this, often comes from a place of scarcity, as if your desires are out of reach or something you lack. This energy of need sends out a vibration that actually repels what you're trying to manifest because it signals to the universe that you don't have it, creating more of the same lack. On the other hand, want comes from a place of passion, love, and abundance. When you say, I want this, you're expressing your desire with an energy that feels positive and expansive. It's about enjoying the process of attracting what you want without the desperation of needing it. This subtle shift in language and energy can make your manifestation process feel more natural, effortless, and in alignment with abundance. By letting go of the feeling of, I need this, you remove the pressure and open up space for manifestation to flow more freely. The moment you shift your mindset from need to want, you align yourself with the abundant energy of the universe, making it easier for your desires to manifest effortlessly. Manifestation techniques like affirmations, visualizations, scripting, and meditations are powerful tools to help activate your desires and bring them into your reality. However, the key to using these techniques effectively lies in your mindset. It's essential to first establish the belief that you already have what you desire. Manifestation works best when you start from the position that everything you want is already within you, waiting to be expressed into your reality. Once you've cultivated the mindset of already having it, you can then use these techniques to express and activate your desires. For example, affirmations can be used to reinforce the belief that you already have what you want, repeating statements like, I am worthy of all my desires, or I am attracting abundance effortlessly. Visualizations help you to vividly imagine yourself experiencing your desire, feeling the emotions as if it's already happening. Scripting allows you to write about your desired outcome in the present tense, cementing the belief that it is already a part of your reality. Meditations help quiet the mind and connect you with the inner knowing that your desires are already inside of you. These techniques are not about forcing an outcome or trying to get something from the universe. Instead, they are about expressing what is already within you and activating it in the physical world. When used in alignment with the mindset of already having, these manifestation tools become powerful ways to bring your dreams to life with ease. Long-term manifestation practices require ongoing attention and refinement to maintain alignment with your desires. It's important to regularly check in with yourself and assess how you're progressing in your manifestation journey. Ask yourself, am I still focused on already having what I want? And are there any lingering resistance or attachment issues that need to be addressed? These mental check-ins help ensure that you remain in the right mindset and energy, allowing your manifestations to flow naturally. One effective way to stay on track is by revisiting the four-step manifestation process regularly. This process can serve as a powerful tool for self-reflection. By reviewing each step, clarifying your desire, believing in its possibility, releasing resistance, and detaching from the outcome, you can identify areas where you might need to make adjustments. For example, if you notice resistance or emotional attachment creeping back in, take the time to work through it and realign yourself with your desires. Maintaining a regular routine of manifestation practices, including affirmations, visualizations, or meditations, can also help you stay consistent. The more often you reinforce the mindset of already having what you want, the more natural and effective the process becomes. Above all, always return to the core belief that everything you want is already within you. Your desires are not something you're trying to obtain. They are simply expressions of the internal potential that already exists within you. This belief keeps your energy focused on abundance and aligns your manifestation efforts with ease and success. Thank you so much for watching. I hope today's video gave you the shift you needed to stop chasing your desires and start living them as if they're already yours. Remember, the simple phrase we talked about today can completely change how you manifest your dreams. So start using it and watch the magic unfold. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me, what's the one thing you're ready to start manifesting from a place of already having it? Let's keep the conversation going and inspire each other to live from abundance. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on manifesting your dreams. Thanks again for being here, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Keep manifesting and remember, everything you desire is already within you.